Looking for the best EBC brake rotors on the market?
Well, you've come to the right place.
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the R1 Concepts front-rear brakes and rotors kit, touted as one of the top contenders in the brake system arena. Let's kick things off by highlighting some of the key features of this impressive brake kit. First up, we have the all-in-one complete brake kit replacement. This kit comes with 4 high-performance brake rotors and 8 low-dust ceramic brake pads, providing you with everything you need to upgrade your braking system. These high-performance brake rotors are made of G3000 grade cast iron with a zinc finish, ensuring ultimate rust protection. Plus, they're built with OEM specifications in mind, so no modification is required for installation. But wait, there's more. The precision-drilled holes and countersunk design of these rotors prevent cracking and buildup, while also enhancing ventilation and dissipating heat. This means smoother and quieter stopping, along with longer-lasting, consistent braking performance. Now, let's talk about the brake pads. These ceramic pads come with shims to eliminate noise and offer low-dust, asbestos-free formulation for excellent fade resistance. They're the top choice for both front and rear brake pad replacements. But what about reliability? Well, you can count on these brakes for reliable street performance. The diamond-slotted design increases brake pad bite, extends brake pad life, and serves as a rotor wear indicator, giving you a heads-up before your next replacement. With all these features combined, you can expect ultimate stopping power that keeps you safe on the road, whether you're cruising around town or hitting the highway. And let's not forget about the added bonus of corrosion protection. All Aline series brake rotors come with a special zinc plating designed to protect from corrosion, ensuring better appearance, longer life, and improved maintenance. So, there you have it, folks. The R1 Concepts front-rear brakes and rotors kit delivers unmatched performance, reliability, and durability, making it the best EBC brake rotors available in the market today. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy shopping. Thanks for watching Product Critique.